Hi guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to speed up your Laravel application using view catch. So basically Laravel provides view catch command, that way we can catch all the played files. So let me go and show you. So I already have a Laravel application in my VS Code editor and go to my terminal, and there is a command called php artisan view colon catch. Okay, and dash v I will and hit enter, and you can see that there is a list of all the files that are going to catch. So that means resource view folder, and there is Laravel showing you all the folders: view flux and live wire. You can see that support pagination view and live wire. Okay, and you can see that blade template catched successfully. Okay, and where it is stored. So let me go here, go to my VS Code editor and go to the resource, sorry, not resource, it's going to the storage framework and views. You can see that there is all the files are created over here, you can see. Okay, and yeah, if I click, and let me clear the log as well. Okay, so php artisan view colon clear, and if I go here, you can see that all the files are gone. Okay, and now let me go and run it again, same command with v, and I will add another v, so that way it's showing all the files that are going to catch. So hit enter, and you can see there is a lots of files. You can see that livewire folder, there's a confirm password, verify password, and you can see all the files that are going to catch. Okay, and let me go here, and also I want to show you, like when you run the view catch, where is the command defined by Laravel. So let me go and I will say view catch command, and you can see over here, first of all you can see view catch, and then if I go here, first of all they are going to clear the view that are existing, that's going to catch, and then you can see that they have this path. So let's see what is this path. Okay, so just copy this and just debug it, save it, and now let me clear this. PHP artisan view colon catch. Okay, and hit enter, and you can see that there is a list of all the directories folder that are coming over here, resource views. So that means getting all the folders, and then one by one all the files tag, and like create like catch that files. Okay, so let me just remove it and just do it, php artisan view colon catch. Yeah, you can see that blade template is catched, and you can clear by using view colon clear command. Okay, you can see that view cleared successfully. So at the end, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos about Laravel. Thank you so much for watching, guys.